Hi guys, kumusta? Another video, another mindset. So, last time, nagstorya ta about purpose, di ba? Ang why behind sa gusto nimong buhaton, sa habits nga gusto nimo i-form. So, karon let's talk about something na pirmi gyud nato mas strugglean and ang discipline versus motivation. Daghan tao, especially sa workplace, gaingon nga, Coach Josh, wala akong motivation, or Coach Josh, unsaon ako pag-maintain sa akong motivation? And I always tell them, motivation is good ha. It's like a spark, the initial push. Pero ang magpadayon sa tao nga mahimong consistent to get the results is always the discipline. So think about it. Sa HR, I've seen so many talented individuals, so many promising employees. They start with so much fire, so much motivation for a new project, a new role, or even a New Year's resolution. Excited kayo sila pero after a few weeks or even days, nawala na ang spark. Nga naman, kaya nag-rely sila sa motivation. Motivation is fleeting, guys. Fleeting meaning it comes and it goes. It's like your mood ba? Sometimes you wake up feeling great, sometimes not so much. But if you only work when you're motivated, then you'll only work sporadically, meaning dili siya consistent. But discipline is showing up even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is doing things that you ought to do even if you don't feel like doing it. It's doing the work because you committed to it, because you know it aligns with your purpose, because you know it aligns with your why. Na ako'y kauban sa work sa una. Super bright. Gusto gyud niya maka-learn og bago nga software para ma-promote as part of the requirements of promotion. Sa una, grabe iyang motivation. Mag-stay up late, sige overtime, magbasa, mag-practice. Pero pag-abot sa second month, ni-slow down na. Nagsugod na siya og mga excuses. Kapoy na kaayo ko, Josh. Wala ko'y gana bay. Ugma na lang ni. Ang ending, wala gyud niya ma-master ang software. Ug ang promotion, of course, wala niya makuha. Naadto sa uban. Kaya nga naman, walay consistency. Bisan og bright kaayo ka, kuto pa ka sinugdanan, wala kay discipline, mao gyud mahitabo. So what's the practical key takeaway ani niya? Don't wait for motivation to strike. You build the discipline, start small. If you want to develop a new habit, don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress, aim for consistency. Like 5 minutes a day of learning instead of waiting for a whole hour you might never find. One extra task completed, even if it's just a small one, instead of waiting for the perfect energy to tackle a big project. Now, this may be small, but consistent action builds your discipline muscle. So remember, your purpose gives you a direction, but your